Okay.
This is the Trident, another in the series of front-wheel drive chairs. We're going to install this today from outside the box. This is how it looks in the box. Basically, we're going to start by mounting the seat. But before we do that, I want to focus on the control module. These are for the left motor, power, and right motor of this scooter. You want to make sure that you plug them in properly here and here for the left and right motor. The center one is the power harness that plugs in here. Eventually, we're going to connect the joystick, and that plugs in right here. Next, we're going to mount the seat. Simply pick it up, and you'll notice this has hooks here and here, and they will hook onto these points here and here. The seat simply just sits on the frame, like so, and you slide it back and lock it into place to connect it to the latch. The seat is now mounted. Adjust the back using the lever for the angle. Next, we'll mount the headrest to the seat. It's mounted here. There is a push button for height adjustability. Please note the grooves on this side of the bar that coincide with this button. So that's the proper placement. Simply slide it in and push this button and adjust for height. We're now going to mount the arms. If you note, there is a bracket for the right arm where we're going to be mounting the joystick. This bracket actually can be reversed to the other side to switch it to the left arm, but for today's purposes, we're going to mount it to the right side. To mount the arm, simply slide it into the square tubing, like so. There is a push pin on the bottom of this arm, so you have to push it to get it to slide in. You can hear it snap and lock into place, and now the arm is mounted. You can also use this knob to secure it. The joystick is mounted to this arm simply by sliding this tube into the brackets below this arm. It slides in and can be adjusted further or closer to the armrest for the individual, and secure it using the adjustment knob.
Okay.
To mount the left arm, repeat the process on the other side. Simply slide the tube in, set it at the desired width, and secure it using the knob.